Hello dear students, let us discuss about the general methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Under that, so let us discuss about the preparation of carboxylic acids by acid hydrolysis of nitriles, so that is cyanides. So the nitriles or the cyanides gives the corresponding carboxylic acids on hydrolysis in acidic solution. So that is RCN, so that is nitrile upon acid hydrolysis. First the nitriles will going to form the amides. So this is amide. Okay, so further these amides upon the acid hydrolysis, so they get converted into the corresponding carboxylic acids. So RCOOH, so that is carboxylic acid. Okay, so here for example R may be an hydrogen atom, or it may be an alkyl group, or it may be an aryl group also. Aryl group also. Okay. So let us write some examples. For example, if R is an hydrogen atom, if R is a hydrogen atom, okay, so then HCN, so that is hydrogen cyanide, upon acid hydrolysis. Okay, so first it will going to form an amide, so that is HC double bond O NH2. So this is formamide. So further this formamide upon acid hydrolysis, so it will going to form the formic acid. So this is HCOOH, so that is formic acid. Okay, so let us consider one more example. If R is a methyl group, so then CH3CN, so this is methyl cyanide, which is upon acid hydrolysis gives an amide. So it is NH2. So this is acetamide. So methyl cyanide upon acid hydrolysis gives acetamide. So this acetamide further acid hydrolysis. So this will go into form a carboxylic acid. So that is CH3COOH. So this is acetic acid. Acetic acid. So let us take one more example. If R is the phenyl group, so that is C6H5. So therefore C6H5CN. So this is phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide. So phenyl cyanide upon acid hydrolysis, it will form an amide. So that is benzamide. So when this benzamide is subjected to further acid hydrolysis, so this benzamide will going to form a carboxylic acid. So that is C6H5COOH. Okay. So this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay. So these are the general methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. So the first method is by acid hydrolysis of nitriles. So that is cyanides. So when nitriles are subjected to the acid hydrolysis, so they form the corresponding carboxylic acids. So during the formation of these carboxylic acids, so these nitriles upon acid hydrolysis, so first they will going to form the amides. So these amides further, when subjected to the acid hydrolysis, the amides are converted into carboxylic acids. Okay, so let us see the mechanism of the these following reactions. Okay, so the mechanism of formation of the carboxylic acids from the acid hydrolysis of nitriles. So let us discuss about the mechanism of these reactions. Mechanism of this reactions. So this reaction takes place in 3 steps. This reaction takes place in 3 steps. So the step 1 is the formation of proton. The step 1 is formation of the proton. So in this step what happens? So the acid medium, so that is, for example, if you have taken sulfuric acid as the acid medium, so then the sulfuric acid undergoes dissociation to form the protons. So the sulfuric acid dissociates into H plus and SO4 2 minus ion. So the protons are formed. So this is the first step. So the acid undergoes dissociation to form the protons. So in the second step, what happens? As you know, the amide is formed. This formation of amide. Formation of amide. Okay. So that is that cyanide. So there is a triple bond between the carbon and the nitrogen atom of the cyanide. So this proton which is produced in the first step, okay, so this will going to attack on this triple bond. Okay, so to form RC, so here it will going to attack. Okay, So RNH plus. So next what happens? So one of the bond in the compound, it will going to break to form an intermediate containing carbocation. So further it will react with hydrolysis, that is water, to form okay. So next what happens? Elimination of a proton takes place. Elimination of proton takes place. One of the proton here, it will get eliminated. So it will react with one more molecule of water. So this OH minus will attack on the carbon atom and nitrile alva. So elimination of proton takes place to form this one. So here what happens? So one more proton, so that will attack on the nitrogen atom. So that results in the formation of RCOH, deficiency of an electron in the carbon atom, NH2. So further there is an elimination of a proton that results. So this proton will get eliminated. Okay. So that results in the formation of an amide. So amide is formed in the second step, formation of amide. Okay. So the third step, formation of carboxylic acid. So after the formation of the amide, finally that amide will undergo further acid hydrolysis to form the carboxylic acid. So this is the last step. So the amide formed in the second step, that is RCONH2 amide. Okay. So the nitrogen atom, the lone pair of electrons which are present on nitrogen, this H plus will going to attack RC double bond NH3 plus. So it will react with one more molecule of water. So this will going to attack on the carbon atom and this double bond attack on the hydrogen atom. So this will going to form NH3 OH OH. Okay, so this bond between the hydrogen and oxygen will break and it is going to form a double bond or C double bond O OH plus NH O plus. So this is RCOOH, is carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is the mechanism of the reaction. So in step 1, the proton will going to form the acid, undergoes dissociation to form the proton. So that proton will attack on the nitrogen atom of the cyanide to form these intermediates. So the amide will going to form in the second reaction, second step. So in the third step what happens? So this amide will undergo acid hydrolysis to form the carboxylic acids.